Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Joel with True Life Investing. Hope you've been having a great day. Today has been amazing for us. We have made so many gains today, over 146% increase on our account, and it's all thanks to options. And one of the things I want to go over today is for beginners of knowing when there's going to be news and knowing when there's trends. But before we get right into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that like button so we can keep growing the channel, keep bringing all this great news, showing what True Life Investing is from scratch, $0 all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars. We're gonna do it right on this channel. We're gonna record it every single day. So be sure to check out those videos. We're gonna get right into it. So one of the things that we wanna look at today is the Dow Jones tanked 710 points. The S&P 500 index tanked almost 81 points. The NASDAQ tanked 351 points. But how in the world did we gain right here 146% on our account today, $136 from where we started off today? How did we do it? Through options trading, but also through trends. So one of the things I'm going to show you for all you beginners out there, when you're starting to invest, you need to learn that when you get into trading options, when you're getting to looking at these stocks that are really popular, Square, PayPal, Visa, they have trends. They follow certain patterns, and they're very essentially not predictable to the dollar, but you know that there's going to be something that's going to happen that's probably happened in the past. That's how trading works, unless something catastrophic happens. So let's look at it right here. Let's see where I made my money on this today. So whenever I bought this option for a put, it was a put option that I bet that the stock for Square would go down. And I purchased that whenever it was at $104. And you're thinking, Joel, why would you purchase it whenever it's at $104? It's going up. I didn't see this before. All I could see that it was up. But when I looked at the history and I saw that, okay, when it comes to Square, they're big on their parabolas. Huge, very parabolic. They'll go up and then they'll come down. Consolidate, go down, then they'll go up, come down. Go up and come down. And then they'll always do a big one. So I knew that this had happened previously. I looked at the history and I knew that I'd seen that it happened previously. They do a nice little parabola, they consolidate, they come down. Now, doesn't this look very similar to what this happened right here, to what had happened right here, right here, right here? So I knew 2 days ago that I felt that, okay, if I purchase a put option that I bet that the stock for Square is going to go down, it could go down. It's done in the past. And that's what happened today. It went down big time, and that's where we made our money and brought our account up so much from where it was at. It's because we followed the trends. We followed the history. Now, I want to take you to something else. So we're going to go to a stock called Ford. Oh, wrong one. Ford. So this stock right here has gone down, and it's been going down. Had a huge spike, got all the way up to $7.50, and it's been going down. And you would think, well, Joel, why are you showing me this? Well, what is about to happen that would make the stock rise? Right here. 2021 Ford F-150 pickup officially debuts June 25th. Today is June 24th. Tomorrow I'm going to buy a call option for this stock to increase. The call options are super cheap. And so if we look at this, and this is going to expire this Friday, the end of Friday, but I can buy a call option right now to bet that this stock will go up to $6 for 12 cents. I mean, not 12 cents, $12. And so when you think of the Ford, they're not only going to debut their new truck, they're going to debut all their new technology for moving into the EV sector, into a fully electric pickup. And so this is huge news. This is where all the vehicles are moving to. Have you ever heard of Tesla? You seen where they're at? They've been hovering around that $1,000 per stock price, share price. That's where Ford's moving. Ford's moving they want to move towards the electric side of the manufacturing for their vehicles. They want their vehicles to be fully electric. That's what they're going to debut tomorrow. So you want to know the news of what's going on with big companies, and then you can put these options in there, and then it's only 6 cents away from $6. Once it gets over $6, we're making big money and having a good green day. So 2 things. Remember, beginners, if you're going to be trading stocks, you got to look at the history, look at the trends, and make sure that whenever things are going, if nothing catastrophic happens, the trends will follow. The trends will repeat themselves. And also remember, news is huge. Whenever something big is about to be unveiled, whenever there's something big about a company happening, that's where you see all these penny stocks where they'll be at 81 cents per share and then jump up to $3, $4. And everybody's like, well, where did that come from? And most people are like, man, I wish I would have caught it before it went up super high. You didn't follow the news. If you knew the news, if you had the stocks before, you could have made it happen. So remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. We're going to keep growing this. I want to bring these tips and tricks to everybody and show you what I'm doing, what I'm experiencing, how I'm growing my account from scratch to tens of thousands of dollars, and showing this with true life investing. I'm not putting thousands of dollars in here. I don't have $150,000 to put into the stock market and trade like a lot of these other bigger channels, but I'm showing you what true life investing is all about from beginning to end. So don't forget, this is Joel with True Life Investing. You have a great day.